Good morning, children. This is the term book, page number 1717. Look at the picture, then choose the right words in these sentences. Okay? Look at the picture first, carefully observe. One girl is hiding behind the tree. One boy is standing in front of the tree. One boy is climbing up the ladder. One boy is coming down the slide. Okay, the kite is flying over. One boy is flying over the bushes. These are called bushes. Okay, a boy holding the kite string. The boy holding kite string in his hand. There is a man sitting on a bench. And a bat next to the man. These two children playing slide up and down. Okay, seesaw. This boy is up, this boy is down, up, down. Okay, seesaw. First one, Carla is hiding under the tree or behind the tree? Behind. The Carla is hiding behind the tree. C-A-R-L-A, Carla is hiding behind the tree. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind, T-H-I-D, T-R-E, tree. Carla is hiding behind the tree. Next, second one. A boy is standing, S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing in front of the tree. I-N in, F-R-O-N-T, front, O-F off. In front of the tree. The boy is standing in front of the tree. The boy is climbing up the ladder. This boy is climbing up the ladder. A boy is climbing up the ladder, L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder. Another boy is coming down the slide. Another A-N-O-T-H-E-R, another B-O-Y, boy is C-O-M-I-N-G, coming, D-O-W-N, down, T-H-E, the S-L-I-D-E, slide. Another boy is coming down the slide. Another boy is coming down the slide. A kite, the kite is F-L-Y-I-N-G, flying over the bushes, B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. The kite is flying over the bushes. The kite is flying over the bushes. The kite is flying over the bushes. A boy is holding, H-O-L-D-I-N-G, holding the kites, K-I-T-E, kite apostrophe S, string, kite string in his hand. I-N in, H-S is H-A-N-D, hand, in his hand. There is a man sitting on a bench. There is a man sitting on a bench. There is a bat next to the man. There is a bat next to the man. Now, I am going to ask some questions. You will give through WhatsApp answers, through audio answers through WhatsApp. Okay. Where is Carla? Where is girl? Carla. The Carla. Please give the answer. Where is this boy? What is doing this boy? What is doing this boy? Where is the man sitting? What are doing these two children? What is he doing? Give answers through WhatsApp. Okay, children? All of you write these sentences in your classwork. with neat handwriting. Okay, thank you.